Ciao, my name is Rossella. I'm Italian and I have created this channel to help you improve your Italian and become fluent and confident at it. If this is your aim, subscribe to my channel and be the first one to see my next output. Each video will include revision time, memo time, and quick and fun games so you can practice your knowledge. If you want me to help you with something, leave me a message and I will make a video on the topic of your choice. Today, I'm going to talk about regular verbs ending in are, which is the first conjugation. For example, mangiare. Io mangio, tu mangi, egli mangia, noi mangiamo, voi mangiate, essi mangiano. Let's say it one more time. Io mangio, not io mangio, but io mangio, tu mangi, egli mangia, noi mangiamo, voi mangiate, essi mangiano. It is important to note that when we have giamo, we don't say giamo, giate, mangiano, but we say gi, mangiamo, mangiate, mangiano. So the sound is contracted a bit to make it more fluent, more running easily, smoothly. So again, io mangio, tu mangi, egli mangia, noi mangiamo, voi mangiate, essi mangiano. You can pause the video and repeat this as many times as you want. One more time, a bit quicker if we can. Io mangio, tu mangi, egli mangia, noi mangiamo, voi mangiate, essi mangiano. Of course, my top tip would be repeat as many times as you can and make it quicker and more fluent in the sense of flowing. Io mangio, tu mangi, egli mangia, noi mangiamo, voi mangiate, essi mangiano. If you feel the rhythm of it, this will help your ear to become more confident and you will feel more comfortable at reciting the verbs. This would mean that when you will use them in sentences, you will feel comfortable. And this is important to become fluent. Now, another verb, regular verb, would be, for example, volare, taken from the popular song Volare. Oh, I'm sure you know it. So, io volo, tu voli, egli vola, noi voliamo, voi volate, essi volano. I would say it again, slower. Io volo, tu voli, egli vola, noi voliamo, voi volate, essi volano. Let's say it again. This time, quicker. Io volo, tu voli, egli vola. Noi voliamo, voi volate, essi volano. And again, I'll say it all the way through. Then pause the video and repeat this as many times as you can. Io volo, tu voli, egli vola. Noi voliamo, voi volate, essi volano. Can you feel the rhythm? The waves? Io volo, tu voli, egli vola. Noi voliamo, voi volate, essi volano. And can you guess my top tip now? Repeat, repeat, repeat. Of course. Now, if you want to practice verbs, there are tons of regular verbs in are. For example, cucinare, ballare, saltare, guardare, lavare. Our games today would be to use the root of the verb and to combine it with the desinenza. Let me explain what I'm talking about. In this slide, you can see that I have underlined some letters. These are the desinenza, maybe desinens, and the remainder is the root, the radice of the verb, which remains the same. What changes and gives us the person and basically the subject is the desinens, the desinenza, which is o, I, a, iamo, ate, ano. O, I, a, iamo, iate, ano. Now, if you can get the desinens, which is the remainder of a verb in infinitive form without are, so for example, cucinare would be cucin, and then you add the desinenza. Here you go, there you have the regular verbs conjugated. Off we go. Please conjugate the verb cucinare, given the desinenze written here. Pause the video and have a go. Please say it aloud. It is important that you try it out loud. And here's the answer. Io cucino, tu cucini, egli cucina. Noi cuciniamo, voi cucinate, essi cucinano. I'll say it more fluently. Io cucino, tu cucini, egli cucina. Noi cuciniamo, voi cucinate, essi cucinano. Another verb would be ballare. The root of the verb is ball with double L, and the desinenza is are in the infinitive form. Have a go. Good luck. And the answer is io ballo, tu balli, egli balla. Noi balliamo, voi ballate, essi ballano. I'm going to say it more fluently now. Io ballo, tu balli, egli balla. Noi balliamo, voi ballate, essi ballano. Try to repeat it now. And the other form, even quicker, is io ballo, tu balli, egli balla. Noi balliamo, voi ballate, essi ballano. Another regular verb is saltare. So pause the video and make your own conjugation with the given desinences. Done? And the answer is io salto, tu salti, egli salta. Noi saltiamo, voi saltate, essi saltano. Faster? Io salto, tu salti, egli salta. Noi saltiamo, voi saltate, essi saltano. And the most fluent version of it would be io salto, tu salti, egli salta. Noi saltiamo, voi saltate, essi saltano. Can you say it like me? Now, a very common verb, guardare. Ready? Off you go. And the answer is, io guardo, tu guardi, egli guarda. Noi guardiamo, voi guardate, essi guardano. Fast. Io guardo, tu guardi, egli guarda. Noi guardiamo, voi guardate, essi guardano. And the most fluent version of it would be io guardo, tu guardi, egli guarda. Noi guardiamo, voi guardate, essi guardano. Finally, the verb lavare. Off you go. Pause the video and make your own conjugation. And the answer is io lavo, tu lavi, egli lava. Noi laviamo, voi lavate, essi lavano. I'll say it again. Io lavo, tu lavi, egli lava. Noi laviamo, voi lavate, essi lavano. And the most fluent version of it would be io lavo, tu lavi, egli lava. Noi laviamo, voi lavate, essi lavano. Per oggi è tutto. Thank you for liking and sharing this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel so you can have many more chances to improve your Italian. Ciao ciao!